Before I show you the house, listen to this. 25 plus acres, a creek-fed pond, a 5-bed home, a detached garage workshop, a pole barn, and you're still just minutes from town. Properties with this mix of privacy and convenience are almost impossible to find in Arkansas. Welcome to your own private Ozark escape, a spacious 5-bed, 3-bath home tucked onto 25 mostly wooded acres, offering total seclusion without giving up quick access to paved roads, stores, and everyday essentials. Step inside and you'll notice how the home opens up to nature from every angle. The walkout patio on the lower level and the upper deck or balcony both give you incredible views of the property. Morning coffee, golden sunsets, wildlife watching. This is Arkansas living at its finest. Outside, you've got everything you need to live, work, and play on the land. A 2-car detached garage with a full workshop area and roll-up door gives you space for projects and storage. A large chicken coop and pen is ready for your flock. And the 3-bay 20x40 pole barn adds room for equipment, toys, or farm essentials. The land itself is the real treasure, mostly wooded, full of wildlife, and centered around a beautiful creek-fed pond that feels like your own private getaway. And for peace of mind, the home and garage both got brand new roofs last year. Whether you're building a homestead, a hunting retreat, or simply want space to breathe, this Arkansas property offers privacy, function, and beauty, all in one. Come see what 25 acres of freedom really feels like.